What's up, Amazon shoppers? The hummingbirds have come back and I can't wait to get out my new hummingbird feeder. Let's open up this one by Perky and see how cool it is. Now this one here is an antique style. That's what it looks like in the box. Ships nice and sturdy, and there isn't a lot of assembly required. All you have to do is actually just take it out of the box like that, and it is ready to hang. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's get a close-up look at all of the features of the Perky Pet Antique Hummingbird Feeder. So this one here is 10-ounce nectar capacity, and it has this really gorgeous antique bottle design. I don't know if you can see from the video, but these are actually hummingbirds, and then it has this really pretty edging with like scallops and braid, and the top here is this really pretty copper colored metal that you can hang from right here, and then the base is actually also a copper color metal. It's got a little plastic rim around the outside and these adorable little red flowers that are the 4 feeding ports for the hummingbird feeder. I was drawn to this particular hummingbird feeder because it's just so pretty. The antique design is something that really appealed to me, and I have this really beautiful hook. I'm going to put it on in my garden. Now, as far as filling this, it's really easy. This is just a twist off cap like this. You twist it. This actually reminds me of one of those old Coke bottles, just like that. Then you can pour the nectar right inside like that. Now the top will come off just like this, and you can see that when you upend the bottle in here, it's gonna flow out through these holes right here into this little collecting bin, and then these flowers are going to be the way that the hummingbirds stick their tongues down inside to get at the nectar. Now I like this design because I think it's a really great way to help keep the bees away. Because there's such a drop between here and here, the only place the bees are going to be able to get at any nectar is right here. It's also going to be difficult for ants to get in here, and I like that as a feature. Because it's in 3 parts like this, it's also really easy to clean. I can take it off, wash it by hand in the sink, and then just put it all back together, which I think is another really attractive feature of it. I'll put it back together again just for the look so we can get one more look at this gorgeous little antique hummingbird feeder. If you are looking for a really gorgeous hummingbird feeder, the antique design is so pretty and detailed. The cleaning of this is super easy, and I really love the design. I can't wait to hang this up in my garden. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.